So in this video, I will go over the sprites. So here is the engine sprite that I have. For public methods, I have rendering it, setting the angle, center position, scale factor, scale pixels, and then getting the angle, width, and height, and then just all the uh, different angles and then position centers, all that for the sprites. Then here's the wrapper we have for the sprite. Um, when the render gets called, this gets rendered to the 2D camera, and when the angle gets set, just different sets for it, and for each one the world matrix gets updated for the sprite. Okay, and setting the scale factor is, and then for setting the scale pixels, I take the current um, the width and the height that the user wants it to be, and you divide that by the current or the original width and height, and that's how you get the appropriate scale to resize the sprite, and then just the gets. And I already went over the image manager, but I'll just scroll through it quick. So just the different lows and gets. Lows and gets are just similar to the other asset managers. Yeah, and well, I believe I didn't go over this, but they use maps. All the asset managers do use maps. The key is a string, and in this case, it's an image for the map. And then I have a default path that gets added to that gets added to the texture to load it in. Okay, that. So for the class diagram for the sprite, would be right here. So I have the engine sprite right here. Okay. And then I'll just go over the image manager one more time. So there's the image manager. Okay. Go image manager. Then for the sprite. Oh, whoops, wrong one. Right here. So here's the image manager. I went over this, but I'll just show it one more time. And then for the actual sprite itself. That is what I have for the sprites.